And hello again. Today we have such a K4 compact device. The client says there is no pressure. Now we will quickly take everything apart. Let's see why. It was provoked. Such a problem. The client says that there is no pressure. And does not draw in water himself. Well, there is no pressure here. Two-factor. It's either a valve or the inside of the head burst. Now I'll show you. Right here, near the valve, there is a crack. Because of this there is no pressure. It drives water around inside. It doesn't create a certain pressure. Now we will take a new head. We will gently anoint everything. If you don't anoint you will go. I quickly collect everything back. Everything is clear so that it is beautiful. We twist it with our hands. Sure it doesn't work, yes. Let's go. Let's go. So. And what happens? Then what? I took it and just forgot to fill in the oil. I take it everything back. We spin it. We slowly do everything. We accelerated. We'll fix everything again now. We'll check. We checked. It doesn't seem to make noise. Now we'll add a little bit of oil. We've added it. Everything is beautiful. We twist everything back. Don't go to your mother. What everything would be fine. We screwed everything up. We go to the stand. Check it. For the suction itself. As the client asked that the device itself draws in water. We look. It doesn't want something. They tormented its dead. They tormented it. It doesn't want to suck up water. Why doesn't want to? That's why you see. Now I'll think. You see. Water seeps in. This is the problem, is that you need to change rubber bands, seals, engine cooling. Now we'll get it in a quick way. We don't need the lower one. We change the upper one. The lower one seems to be normal. So they changed the upper one. Inserted the lower one. It will be very carefully necessary to screw the screws back in. Because it can burst, we spin it. Everything is beautiful. Neat. Fast. It takes a very long video. So we check. The heat has gone. It sucks in water normally. We'll check it on the nozzle. We connected the nozzle. It's pretty good. And the pressure is 130 bar. And 7/2 amperes. It seems to be a good shutdown. This squeak, this is a good disconnect. Now the video is coming to an end. We are collecting everything. It is extremely beautiful. So that the client is satisfied. We got money for this. Subscribe to anyone who is interested. Further videos. I will be grateful to everyone for subscriptions. Good luck to you. Have a good mood for all the future days. Once again, thank you all for watching my video. Bye everyone.